Today today we are going to tell about a story, a day with our helpers. Okay, daily we will see so many people around us helping us. Okay, similarly today we will learn about some of our helpers. Okay, see, say hi to this girl. Her name is Tina. Say hi, Tina. Hi, Tina. Tina, see, look, Tina is happy right here. Why Tina is happy? Tina is happy because today morning Dad said, you can come with me to my place. So, Tina is very happy. What did Tina do? Tina went with her dad to the construction place. Construction place. Construction. What did Tina first do? Tina helped Mason. Mason. Repeat after me, Mason. What did Tina do? Tina helped Mason to construct walls. We see walls around us, right? They are constructed by masons with bricks and cement. Okay, repeat after me. Who is this? Mason. Mason. Then whom did Tina help? Tina helped the painter. Wall. Now we see our walls with paint, right? They are painted by painters. So Tina helped this painter to paint a wall. Repeat after me. Who is this? Painter. Painter. Now Tina then helped carpenter. Carpenter is the one who will do the tables, chairs, sofa works. Then Tina went with her dad to help carpenter. Carpenter. Repeat after me. Who is this? Carpenter. Carpenter. For fixing the wood. Then where did Tina go? Tina helped electrician. See, this is beautiful, right? This chandelier is very beautiful. We have lights, fans in our rooms, right? They are done by electrician. See, Tina helped this electrician to fix the lights. Very good. See, lights are very beautiful, right? So, Tina asked her dad, I cannot see the plumber. Where is he? Who will do? What does plumber do? Taps. Plumber will do water works. We use water in our sink, bathrooms, right? They are all done by plumber. Now see, Tina is thinking, wow, today I helped so many people. Whom did Tina help? Mason, painter, carpenter, plumber, electrician. See, Tina helped in making beautiful house here. Very beautiful house, right? Very good job, Tina. Tell good job to Tina. Good job, Tina.
Bye, Tina.
Bye, Tina.